Man, this jollof rice is really jollofing. See how red it is. Now look at the chicken. Looking so yummy, all sauced up with garlic. And here is the moi moi. I mean, we did a lot of cooking. Here, the moi moi is already inside the pot and steaming. Here is done already. You can see how yummy it's looking. Here is his afan soup. Yeah, afan soup. This is mainly for crossivarians. So this is afan soup with plenty orishi, and this is bitter leaf soup. This is actually my native soup. If you're Igbo, you should be conversant with bitter leaf soup. Yeah, very sweet. And this is the semovita that we're gonna use to download the soup. And here is the cabbage leek, green pepper, and all of that for the sauce. Yeah, we did a lot of cooking. And here I was trying to show you all the green pepper that I've cut. And here is the leek and the spring onions and all of that, trying to cut them to give them the desired shape and all of that before making it. And I was just cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. Man, it was not easy. It was not easy. We did a lot of cooking, a lot of New Year and everything that comes with it. You have to cook and yeah, send to people. This is actually on demand too. We didn't just cook for ourselves. We actually did this as a business, yeah. So I was still trying to cut and cut and cut and cut. Oh my goodness, I was really tired that day because that was New Year, was it? Yeah, we tried to do a lot of things. And you know when you were in the villa, you have to behave like one. That say that when you're in Rome, behave like the Romans. Like that was exactly what happened. And I was trying to do my best, assist, and all of that. So I was really tired. I was really tired, but I just have to do it. And this is the spring onions. Still trying to cut and cut and cut and cut. Like I did a lot of cuttings that day. And yeah, I would have posted this video a long time, but because of one thing or the other, I couldn't. And you can see I'm still trying to arrange. I don't even know what I was arranging, but all I know is that I was still cutting. Yeah, one thing is I love to cook when I'm in the mood. I love to cook, but when I'm not in the mood, you did not tell me to enter the kitchen. Not like, but yeah, I love to cook. And so this is still preparing the sauce stuff for the sauce and all of that. You have to cut your leek, you have to cut your green pepper, you have to cut your spring onions, you have to cut your green beans and all of that. And was still trying to prep. I mean, this actually took a while. Because I was only one that had to do the cutting. Yeah, I was only one that had to do the everything. And here I'm still trying to do the finishing touches. Like, so just left with few, and I was screaming already, can this finish already, because I was just so tired. But I had to New Year and everything that comes with it. So yeah, and I'm still cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. Guys, please don't get bored of hearing my voice. I know my voice. Don't get bored. I'm just trying to do this voiceover because I don't want to add any other sound. Get what I'm saying? So I just want to do this voiceover. And this is me still cutting the leek. Yeah, this is actually the leek, and I'm still cutting and cutting. I mean, it was not easy. Yeah, the break girl is a cook. So if you want anything, probably naming ceremony or anything. Yeah, name ceremony is also child education. Or you have any little gathering, birthday. I mean, I'm there for you. Trust me. I know you guys haven't seen this part of me that I cook. Yeah, I cook. Yeah, the baby girl cooks. I might not be a chef, but yeah, I think I know my way around the kitchen and all of that. Oh my goodness. I'm so trying to cut. Can this part just finish already? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys what I've done. And this is the green pepper. So trying to cut. This is a bell pepper. Yeah, bell pepper. This is the green bell pepper, and yeah, I prefer this because it gives you that aroma. It gives you that, you know desired aroma. But when you use the yellow, the red, it's colorful but it doesn't give you that aroma. Trust me, I don't know for another person, but speaking for myself, it's really nice when you use the green bell pepper. You are going to love it. You're going to love the outcome. You're going to love the aroma and all of that. So I'm just trying to cut. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you have to just put it in place and try to cut into the desired shape you want. And I've actually sliced this already, so it'll be easy for me to just pack and cut. Yeah, still cutting. Still cutting. Guys, don't mind me. Oh my goodness, it's not easy to do voiceover, especially when you have a long video. Finally, it's over. Here, this is the cabbage. This is the cabbage. I'm going to add it to the sauce. I mean, you guys can't wait to see the outcome of this sauce. The sauce was really saucy, so yummy, so spicy. I mean, I loved it. So I also tried to cut the cabbage, and this is actually, you have to cut it in a big shape, like because you want it to be visible when you're done cooking. Because most times when you're done cooking, most of these vegetables, they actually reduces. I don't know if I have to use the word reduce in size, but the water, the metabolism and everything that happens reduces the size and whatever. So you need to make the shape to be a little bit big, so that once you're done cooking, you can still see the size. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So I'm still cutting. This is a baby girl doing the hard work. Hard work. Hard work. Hard working. What did I even stand up to do? It seems as if I stood up a little, but I don't know why. But yeah, this cutting continues. You can see I'm trying to give it that big shape. Yeah, this is me trying to, should I say, separate them, because it's actually stuck together. Yeah, so I'm trying to separate them, and still doing that. Oh my goodness. So you can see I'm still trying to cut. Man, like I said before, I did a lot of cutting myself, and it wasn't easy. That day I was really tired, man. I was really famished that day. But what to do? You gotta do these things. Yeah, so still cutting, as you can see. Still on it, guys. The outcome is gonna wow you. Like, just chill a little. Don't be in a rush to skip this video. Don't be in a rush to fast forward. Don't be in a rush to just put a comment and say, they'll just chill and enjoy, because the outcome is, oh my goodness. I wish you guys are here to taste this goodness with me, but trust me, it was really nice. So yummy. It was actually is chicken sauce. Yeah, white sauce. And this is the carrots. As you can see, the carrots, showing you all what the carrots looks like. I mean, a lot of cutting. It wasn't easy, but we had to do it. So this is the sauce. Can you see? So yummy. Oh my goodness, so yummy. Yeah, so this is the sauce. You can see everything is there.